This is another day. I already took out everything that I need for this order to be packaged. I just need this and some scissors. Well, I won't need scissors for this. So I just take the rubber band off because that's ugly. And if you're wondering who my hair vendor is, I have multiple hair vendors, so I don't really care about telling people what my vendor is, and nor do I think that we should be out here selling vendors for hair, because it's not that deep. Like, everybody shares their lipstick vendor, their eyelash vendor, everybody shares all of that stuff. And even like these big brands, I mean, we all know Amazon get their products from China. We all know that. Like, we're not about to put nobody out of business for knowing their vendor. If anything, you can help them start their business, and that's exactly what I'm here to do. I keep them lined up by keeping them close by their like little hang tag or whatever inch they are. I use multiple vendors for my collections. I have a princess collection, and then I have a queen collection. And I already put y'all on game in my other video of how this hair business works. Like, it's all just marketing. And they could tell you something is Brazilian, they could tell you something is raw hair, they could tell you something is whatever. I could say this is raw hair too, and just have them package it differently. Like, this is all a game. Like, and I'm not about to sit here and sugarcoat it because I know somebody's going. I mean, there's people that are curious. People want to know. Like, there isn't all the research online, but you could at least save your sis some money when it comes to these vendors, because you don't want to sell somebody a vendor that's trash and then they come back at you and that makes you look bad because you're selling a trash vendor. Like, that's just stupid to me. It's so stupid to me that we keep this game such a secret. Like, we're all struggling, we're all trying to figure it out, we're all just trying to make our way through this life, through this little entrepreneurial life. And shoot, like I said, I'm here to help y'all start your business for the free. And well, not everything is going to be free, but it's definitely going to be affordable. Like, if you can't afford $10, if you can't afford $15 into your business, then you need to go to work. Like, you need to go to work first so you can afford that. But I just I'm gonna write down what these bundles are, and then I'll talk to you about like my vendor stuff. So I have multiple vendors. Like I said, my vendor varies depending on my collection. And for my princess collection, I use like D-Ron here, whatever it's called. People have mixed reviews about it. People have mixed reviews about all hair. So I don't want to hear, oh, that hair is this, oh, that hair is that, da, da, da. You probably didn't take care of it right. That was probably your problem. But nobody wants to talk about that part. So I've tried D-Ron hair, I've tried TRUSCEND hair, I tried YF hair, I've tried VIPSISTER hair, I've tried literally everything you could think of. But D-Ron hair is the one that I started out with when I first started my business. And that was back when like bundles were like they had to be like $13, $20, and you can make a real profit off of it because it wasn't many vendors around. So this is a 16 inch, so I write 16 inch. And it's just like, it's not that hard. What am I talking about? Yeah, it wasn't that hard back then. Like I said in my other video, if you have not watched my Start a Business with No Money video, go watch that. You'll know what I'm talking about as I talk about these things. But yeah, so it wasn't hard to like make a profit and still get paid for doing somebody's hair. But marketing wise, I was telling them, hey, I'm doing it for free, which I was doing that service. I'm actually physically doing it for free, but I'm still getting a little cut from the hair. And this is deep wave, so I just write everything up there. That is not, there you go. You just write everything up there. Like I said, it has hair tips, it looks backwards, and then logo on the back. So I'm gonna put this right here, get rid of this, so you don't need it. Yeah, I started out with them, and then eventually I expanded and I was trying out new vendors. Look, I've tried some vendors where the hair did not last for me, but it lasts for somebody else, and I'm just like, I don't understand that, but whatever. But I take care of my hair, but then again, I don't take care of it at the same time. It's not my hair, so it's not that deep to me. But it definitely helps when making your hair last longer. And I put some tips on how to do that. And VIPSISTER, I like their hair. I saw somebody say don't order from them, blah blah blah. It's what you order. And I feel like y'all out there ordering them 613 bundles, it doesn't matter who you order those bundles from, they're all trash. Because you have to take the hair from this color to 613, 613. You taking your hair from black to 613 and you don't think it's gonna be damaged? Like, what? You do that to your natural hair. Tell me what it does. Like, it's the same thing. It's a shame though, because it costs more. It costs more for damaged hair than the actual regular hair. I had some hair though before. I bleached it and it was just so beautiful. It was like YF hair. I bleached it. It was so beautiful. It felt amazing. It bleached perfect. Like, perfect. You know how you get them little orange tones? Like, you ever bleach some hair and it's like struggling to actually change color? This one, no, it just changed. It was just beautiful. And if they didn't cost so much, I would have stuck with them. But this is a 14-inch, and I'm gonna put lace closure right here. This looks ugly. I'm gonna write this again. This one looks a freaking mess. But yeah, so I already talked about, so that's YF hair. The run hair is the one I started out with. VIPSISTER hair, I still rock with them. Me and my vendor got a good relationship. She's the one who put me on game to a lot of stuff when it comes to these vendors, and they always keep me up on game. I use this other vendor, I forgot their name, but if I find it, I will definitely put it right here on the screen somewhere to make sure you do not order hair from me, because that is trash hole. Trash. So this is an order from my Queen collection, and that is what the tag looks like. So now we're about to package it all together. And I showed you it's the same process with the other bundles. I'm poking holes because I don't have a hole punch. Poke holes. But this time when I poke my hole, I'm gonna put the hang tag through it so that it can hang from it instead of hanging from the packaging. But I'm still gonna do my pin so that it gives me some more room. I just need a hole punch. Really bad. Alright, so this is my lace closure, but I don't have anything for my lace closure. Okay. So then I just take a bag. I take the lace closure, this is a 4x4 lace closure. I put the closure in the bag. This is a deep wave. Look at it. I love VIPSISTER. I don't care. They are bomb-tastic. I put the card inside the bag. I don't hang it because I just don't. And I hang it in there like that. So you know, it's the lace closure. Now we're gonna do the 20-inch, which is this one, and I still got some red stuff on it. I'm moving too fast. I don't wanna dash. Alright, so we're gonna take this. Alright, and then I'm gonna take this and put it through the hole. Might be kind of hard since I got my nails to do the one that has the long side on it, so I'm gonna do the side that has the point. But essentially, buying like a tag gun that they use at like the stores would be so useful. I wonder if it can put it through here so it actually hang. There we go. All right, so I pulled it out. This is the one with the little stick and whatever, and I push it in there. There we go. And it hangs, and they can flip it and look at it. Usually I would have bundle wraps, but I don't have any more, so this is just what I got right now. Oh, there it is. This is just what I have right now. So pretty. And all my customers, they love the Queen collection. And they love they love my collections. I don't care. They do. They tell me good reviews about it. Nobody's really told me anything bad except that it tangles. I mean, all hair tangles, so I don't consider that a bad thing. That's more like a take care of your hair thing, so it doesn't tangle. But yeah, so I'm gonna finish this, and you saw how I did that. I'll do it again. So I'm just taking it. I'm taking this piece and I'm bringing it down through there and pulling it out right here so that I can hang my tag on it. Let's see if you can see it. Alright, so we're taking this, put it in the hole. It's hard with nails. Let me do the finger with my nail, not on it. There we go. And there go your hang tag. Oh, this one's like stuck. Yeah, I didn't even put a hole in it. There we go. Now we got our 3 bundles and our hang tags on our bundles. It's bouncy. It flows. Alright, now I'm gonna package them up. Well, I'm gonna take a picture first and then we'll package them. So I'm gonna get this picture, and then I'm gonna put it all in these baggies and take it to the post office. Now we're about to finish packaging it and drop it off. Two business cards, a thank you card. I used to write out my thank you cards, but now I just do it like this. And they have a discount code on them, so yeah, I can show you. This is what mine said. I'm over here tapping this. I need to tap that. Yeah, so that's what my card looks like, and then underneath here is the discount code. So yeah, if you want the code, you gotta order. So I put all these things in a bag, but I'm gonna put the lace closure inside of this bag too, so that they can see this and they see the lace closure too. All right, so we put this in there, so they will see that, and then you put the lace closure in there too. I mean, you saw me put the closure in there first, but it'll be the same. It's the same thing. So I put the closure hang tag in here. Jeez. Okay. Closure hang tag. Closure's all in there. We're gonna pack these bundles. Boom. And that completes the order. Now we're just gonna mail it out. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video.